In today's lecture, we are going to practice more examples based on the formula EP is equal to BP plus LP. Clear? Practice on Let's start more practice on EP is equal to BP plus LP. So in today's session, we will practice more question. After this, definitely you will understand the formula and how to find out the hybridization of the given element in a compound. Clear? So let's start this session. Let's start the questions. Very first question, that is N triple bond carbon with CH double bond CH2. The question is given the bond between carbon atom 1, the bond between carbon atom 1 and carbon atom 2 bond between carbon atom 1 and atom 2 involves which hybridization? This is a question. Clear? This question was asking IIT JEE. So let's solve this question. It's very easy, my dear friends. Very easy question. First of all, we'll find out the hybridization of first carbon. Hybridization of first carbon is equal to, okay, that is equal to EP is equal to BP plus LP. Now you all are master, my dear friends. What about the bond pair? Bond pair of this carbon. Two. First is nitrogen, bond with nitrogen. Second is with the carbon. So bond pair 2. What about the lone pair of carbon? Lone pair of carbon is equal to 0. That is equal to 2. Is equal to sp. So hybridization of this first carbon is sp. Clear? What about the carbon atom 2? Hybridization of second carbon EP is equal to BP plus LP. What about the bond pair? बेटा ध्यान से देखना, इसका बॉन्ड पेयर कितना होगा? एक बॉन्ड हाइड्रोजन के साथ, एक बॉन्ड कार्बन के साथ, एक बॉन्ड दूसरे ये कार्बन के साथ. बॉन्ड पेयर आएगा 3. What about the lone pair? 0. Very good, my dear friends. So 1s 2p, 1s 2p, so sp2. So bond between carbon atom 1 and carbon atom 2 involves one sp carbon, one sp2 carbon. So sp2 bond is there between carbon atom 1 and 2. Is this clear? Sure. I'm sure you understand this question. This question was asking IIT JEE exam. So please take a screenshot and let's start to solve the second question. We are going to solve second question. Before it, please take a screenshot, my dear friends. Okay friends, so let's solve more questions. Let's practice more questions based on EP is equal to BP plus LP. Clear? Next question is from Madhya Pradesh Pre-Engineering Test 1994. So let's solve that question. Question is given. Okay, question is from MPPET 1994. Question is about you have to find out the hybridization of carbon number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Clear? You have to find out hybridization of carbon atom 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is a question. So let's solve this question. For the carbon 1, hybridization of carbon 1 is equal to EP is equal to BP plus LP. What about the bond pair of this carbon? 1, 2 and 3. What about the lone pair of carbon? 0. See, you have to remember lone pair of oxygen 2, lone pair of nitrogen 1, lone pair of chlorine 3, lone pair of fluorine 3, lone pair of iodine 3, lone pair of carbon 0. These are the common lone pairs that you have to remember. Clear? How it came that you can learn from the 9th standard textbook and still you are finding any difficulty or doubt, then you can contact me. Now, hybridization of this carbon, that is 1s2p sp2. Hybridization of carbon atom 2. Carbon atom 2 का hybridization निकालते हैं बच्चों. So EP is equal to BP plus LP. Tell me what about the bond pair of second carbon? One with carbon, one with bromine, one with hydrogen. So bond pair 3. What about the lone pair of carbon? That is 0. So 3 plus 0, 3 is equal to sp2. Alright, now in this case. See, first of all, this is a condensed formula. Now what you have to do, you have to make the complete formula. So let's make the complete formula. C with C, 2 hydrogen, 1 bromine, 1 bromine. This is a complete formula. So now hybridization of carbon atom 3 is equal to EP is equal to PP plus LP. What about the bond pair beta? Bond pair of carbon number 3. This is the carbon number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lone pair 0 is equal to 1s3p sp3. Clear? And the last one, hybridization of carbon atom 4 is equal to EP is equal to BP plus LP. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4. For this carbon, one pair 1, 2, 3, 4. And lone pair 0. 4 plus 0, 4 is equal to sp3. So this question was asked, my dear friends, in engineering entrance exam. This question was asked. I'm sure you understand this question. So let's solve the next question. Clear? दूसरा एक क्वेश्चन बच्चों सॉल्व करते हैं. Okay, so the question is something like this. Find the hybridization of underlying carbon Okay. Find the hybridization of underlying carbon in a given organic compound. So let me give you that organic compounds. CH3Cl. Here the underlying is under the carbon of cyanide. Clear? And under the carbon of first. So this is the first carbon, the second carbon. So hybridization of first carbon, hybridization of first carbon, Ep is equal to bond pair plus lone pair. First of all, make the complete formula, my dear friends. See in the center 1H, 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 C, triple bond N. Clear? How we comes to know there should be triple bond? Because one valence is completed by carbon, while 3 are remaining. So one nitrogen is given, and so the valence are completed like this way. Is it clear? Done. Now one pair of the first carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4 is equal to sp3. And what about the second one? Hybridization of second carbon, Ep is equal to Bp plus Lp. What about the bond pair, my dear friends? In this case, for second carbon bond pair with one with nitrogen and one with carbon. So answer is equal to Sp. So this carbon is under the sp3 hybridization and this is under the sp hybridization. Now one most important thing that I am going to discuss with you, my dear friends. So please make a super note. Give it a hashtag supernode of GOC. Now let me tell you what about this supernode. What supernode says? Percentage S character, percentage P character. In sp3, what you have to do? sp3 matlab 4. So 100 divided by 4. S got 25, P got 75. sp2 means 3, 100 by 3, 33.3, that is 66.6 near. sp means 2, 100 by 2, 50, S got 50, P got 50. Now the supernode state that higher the S character, higher the S character, higher the electronegativity, higher the S character, higher the electronegativity. So now we will have a question. What we mean by the word electronegativity? Power of pulling of electron. कितनी ताकत से, कितना पावर से एलिमेंट इलेक्ट्रॉन को विड्रॉ करेगा ना, उसे बोलेंगे उसका इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन खींचने का पावर सबसे ज्यादा sp कार्बन का होगा, उससे कम sp2 का होगा, उससे कम sp3 का होगा. बच्चे समझ गए आप लोग? दिमाग में जा रहा है कि नहीं जा रहा है? इसे सुपर नोट लगाओ. बहुत ही बढ़िया वाला क्वेश्चन है, इससे बहुत अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चन निकलते हैं. वो हम सॉल्व करेंगे बच्चों नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. आई एम श्योर आज का लेक्चर आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. कई सारे बच्चे मुझे होमवर्क रेगुलर भेज रहे हैं, और जो लोग रेगुलर काम कर रहे हैं बच्चों, वो लोग डेफिनेटली अच्छा स्कोर करने वाले हैं, उसका अच्छा नंबर आने वाला है. अगर आप लोग रेगुलर काम नहीं कर रहे हो ना, तो भाई आप समझ जाओ काम करने का टाइम आ गया है. रेगुलर नोट्स बनाओ. रेगुलर नोट्स बनाने के बाद वो नोट्स आपको जो आपके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में दिया जाता है, स्पेसिफिकली नॉलेज रजिस्टर जो बच्चे हैं, उसको जो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में जो लिंक प्रोवाइड होता है, वहां पर आप अपना होमवर्क अपलोड कर दो. अगर आप नॉलेज के नहीं हो, अगर आपको होमवर्क करना है, तो होमवर्क करने के बाद आप मुझे नीचे दिए गए व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर आपका होमवर्क भेज दो. प्लीज माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, डोंट फॉरगेट टू वॉच टिल द एंड. हर एक वीडियो आपको अंत तक देखना है. बस उतना करो, आपका काम आसान होता जाएगा, सब्जेक्ट पूरा समझ में आएगा. जो पोर्शन से, जो स्पीड से हम लोग चल रहे हैं ना, जिस टेक्निक से हम लोग जा रहे हैं, वही टेक्निक से प्रिपेयर करो. आज जो क्वेश्चन देखे बच्चों, वो पूरे क्वेश्चंस कई कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में पूछे गए वाले क्वेश्चंस हैं. आप देखो जो टॉपिक आप पढ़े वहीं से आईआईटी में भी क्वेश्चन आता है, इंजीनियरिंग एंट्रेंस का क्वेश्चन आता है, नीट के लिए क्वेश्चन आता है। मतलब आपको करना कुछ नहीं है माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आपको सिर्फ एक ही चीज समझनी है, एक ही चीज आपको दिमाग में बिठानी है, रेगुलर सेशन पूरा देखो और नोट्स कंप्लीट बनाओ और उसके बाद नोट्स को भेजो। समझ गए आप लोग? समझ गए? ओके माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, सो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर पे मिलेंगे, वहां पर हम लोग नया पढ़ाई करेंगे, कुछ नया लेके नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मिलेंगे। बेटा तब तक के लिए आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो एंड थैंक यू।
This is a very straightforward question. Question number 24. Question says in alene, the types of hybridization of the carbon atoms is are. So a structure of alene is this. You have C double bond, C double bond, C, and then I have hydrogen, hydrogen. We have 4 hydrogen. So this is the structure of alene. Now to find hybridization, we have to look for how many groups this carbon has. So this has 1, 2, 3 groups. 3 groups means hybridization is sp2. For this carbon, this has 1 and 2 groups. 2 groups means hybridization in this case is sp. For this carbon, 1, 2, 3 groups. So in this case, hybridization is again sp2. So we have two kind of hybridization, sp and sp2. So you see, we have option number B, that is sp and sp2 hybridization. So in this case, answer is B.